Hi, my name's Leni Fries, proprietor of La Tabella Trattoria here in Airlie Beach in the beautiful Whitsundays. We've been in business now here for 7 years. We've had the restaurant, Italian inspired, and we make everything here, beautiful homemade pastas, and it just fantastic home feeling here at La Tabella. At any point in time, we employ up to 22 people. And it's because of that reason we require systems that work for us. And we're finding now that we've had SplitAibility now for approximately 6 months, and we find that as business owners, we rely on systems that help us. And not just from the day-to-day running of the business, but also it allows us to feel secure in those times when my husband and I just want to have a break and get away for a week or two. We know that our business is being looked after with this fantastic system. Now the restaurant is, we have 120 seats here, and we cater for alfresco dining. So we have a terminal outside. We have, of course, our cocktail bar, and then we have also inside where we have a little private dining room, a lovely wine cellar, and Nonna's big long table here where people love to come together and for a function. We have the 3 terminals, and they take care, they cover all areas, as I was saying.
Heading down to the
This is now our beautiful, beautiful alfresco. We're right across the road from Airlie Beach itself, and the foreshore has just had an amazing facelift and wonderful upgrading, great facilities for children, playgrounds, new landscaping, and here's gorgeous Jessica.
Just putting it in order.
Yay! Fantastic.
Fantastic.
And we hope that if you're coming to Airlie Beach ever, please come and say hello. We'd love to welcome you.
Great. Thank you very much, Leni. Great.